And here it is, the ISSF World Cup 2023. It's the 10-meter air rifle women final. Here they are. So Nancy from India on firing position B. Hwang Yuting from Korea on firing position C. Cho Unyang, another athlete from China. Han Jiayu. Jeanette Hegdestad. And now a very famous one, Nina Kristen. And on position G, Senaid McIntosh. And last but not least, the least definitely on firing position H from China, 19-year-old Chu Ling. It all depends on Hwang now. 10.9. Oh, no. She is not giving out. Now left at the top. Han. And one more shot to shoot. .7 from Nancy. Still not giving her place. But a 10.9. Hwang Yuting going out with an absolute bang, winning the bronze medal. She left with a 0.2 of a difference and left Nancy and Han at the top with the slightest difference there can be, and leaving us on the edge of our seats. .3 and a 10.7. Han taking over the lead.
For the next competition shot, load.
For the last and potentially, for the next and potentially the last competition shot. 0.3 of a difference. We still can't know. The favor is definitely in Han's position, but it can all change. 19-year-old Nancy, 21-year-old Han, both very, very young, shooting a senior competition. And with a 10.6, it's gonna be the first and only so far, and already a gold medal. So 2 medals for China, 1 for India, and well, this is it.